Hi everyone. Today recipe very tasty and crispy tea time snack ribbon pakoda. It's very easy with homemade ingredients. Heat oil for deep fry and meantime mix the dough 1 cup of rice flour and 1 cup of besan. Sieve it. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of hing. It will give taste and digestion. And 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon black pepper powder or chili powder. Mix all the ingredients. Then put 3 tablespoons of hot oil. Mix carefully. Oil is hot. Once mix the oil, then add water gradually. Don't put the more water. Then make the semi-soft dough. I am using this type of blade for making a ribbon pakoda. Grease the murku maker. Then fill with dough. No need any masalas to this snack. It will be tasty. If you have any guests or any time, you can eat this with rice also. You can take this instead of papadam. After few minutes, turn it. Flame should be medium to high. Once fried, bubbles will stop. Then swoosh sound will reduce. Then you can take from oil. It's very easy. Subscribe my channel for more videos. If you like my video, please like it. Thanks for watching.